Track your progress. We feel good about ourselves when we can see our improvements. All of us can. All of us. One simple example of that. How good do we feel as men in here when we get a haircut? Fresh. Literally, I get a haircut, my guy does my eyebrows, I walk out of there, I'm like, bam! I'm ready for the world. Literally, every time I come out of there, I do it every time. But yeah, track your progress. This will help you because you have to motivate yourself. You're literally at the beginning of the train. You're the front of the train. You're the one that has to pick up the traction by yourself in order to pull everybody else behind you. You are that. You have to find different ways to motivate yourself. Whether it be shooting 30 cars a day, 100 cars a week, whatever it is to get you to jumpstart. If I work from 8 to 10 and I'm gonna shoot 30 cars somewhere and then I'm gonna do sales because that's gonna motivate me, go do it. Find what motivates you. I wish I can motivate everybody in this room once a day, 8 o'clock in the morning, but I just can't. You know why? I gotta motivate myself. When you guys get those bomb videos that I'm fired up, just know I did a little too much. Whatever it is I was doing, I just did too much. But that's where you need to be. That's where you need to get to. Can you send a video like that out 3 times a week to your teams? You have to send it every day. It might be overwhelming. 2 times a week, 1 time a week. Start somewhere. Fire up your team. Because when you fire up your team, I promise you they're going to come running behind. They're going to see something that they want to mimic, something they want to imitate. I don't know what the hell Eddie's crazy about, but I'm going, we're going somewhere. I don't even know where we're going, but we're going. Because Eddie's acting like a fool. He's crazy. He's out there. He's like, dude, we're getting it. We're getting it. We started and we were doing $5 grand a month, and now we're doing 40 grand a month. We're getting it. Let them see your progress. When they see your progress, let them know they're part of their team. They're coming along. But then what's behind that? Who are we raising up to take our spots? Because you can't grow anywhere unless you find somebody else to take your spot. It's just not going to happen.